Hi, I'm Liz, and I wanted to hop on and do a review of my Simple Modern water bottle. I have the 32-ounce with the straw lid. As you can tell, I have had this for a couple years now. So I have dropped it, I have painted on it, I have definitely put it through the ringer. And I love that about it. The one thing that I don't love about it is that I got the 32-ounce, which does not fit into cup holders. And I did not read that ahead of time. So that's on me. But I love it so much with all of the character that I refuse to buy a smaller one that will fit in the cup holders. And I just kind of make it work. So if you're looking for a water bottle, I know this comes very highly rated. So I just wanted to throw my hat into the ring as somebody who also loves this. I am somebody who is known for being kind of tough on my stuff. So paint, dropping it, I need something that's very durable. Between myself and running around with 3 kids, this definitely has stood the test of time. So highly recommend. I hope that helps.